Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, A Bunch of Tech. So guys, today in this video I will tell you 5 amazing things you should do in a Zoom meeting. So let's get started. First, mute everyone at a time. If you are presenting something and someone interrupts you or there is a background noise from another one, so you can try this trick by clicking on the participant option and there is a mute all option at the bottom, as you can see here, and click on this option. Second, hide floating window panel while sharing screen. As this panel interrupts you a lot, so click on the more option and hide floating window meeting controls. And if you want to see your floating meeting controls, so you can only have to press escape. Third, change background and apply filters. This is a funny trick. Just go at the settings, as you can see here, and there is a background and filter option. So click on this option, and these are the backgrounds that you can see here. And if you want to apply filters, so there is a filters option. Just click on the filters, and there are various type of filters, and you can apply any of them. Fourth, touch up your appearance and enable HD mode. So just go at the setting, and there is a video option. Click on this, and there is a touch up my appearance option. So you can click and adjust by yourself as your choice. And there is a enable HD mode. To record Zoom meeting call, so you can apply by this option, record option. You have to just click record option. And if you want to change your location of recording, just go at the recording option, and there is a locations. If you want to change, so you can change here. And if you want to open, so you can open from here. So don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and subscribe this channel for upcoming videos related to technology.